Morning cough is not just irritation, it is your lungs throwing up poison they have been storing all night. Here is the science of why that happens every single morning. Your lungs have tiny cleaners called cilia. All day smoke and nicotine paralyze them. So the toxins, tar and mucus just sit inside. But at night when you finally stop smoking, nicotine levels drop. The cilia wake up and they start sweeping out all that waste. That is why your body forces a heavy cough in the morning. It is trying to flush out the poison. Lung studies actually show that cilia don't move properly for hours after a cigarette, which is why the night gap triggers that intense morning cough. So if you know someone who coughs every morning, share this with them. It is not just a cough, it is a warning sign.